Hey everyone, this is Matthew. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Wednesday, November 26th, 2025, and this is your Daily Nasdaq Futures Recap, the show where we break down every move, every catalyst, and of course, every single trade. Our algorithm fired off throughout the session. Let's jump right into it. Market news. We had a busy batch of data hitting this morning at 8:30 a.m. Core durable goods orders. Core PCE prices. Continuing jobless claims. Q3 GDP. Initial jobless claims. After hours, there were no major earnings releases, so it was quiet on that front. Overnight session. The overnight session was calm and controlled. Once the Asian markets opened, the Nasdaq edged higher, and for the rest of the night it held steady, hovering right around 25,000 after a solid recovery. Morning session. Heading into the morning, the Nasdaq continued a slow, steady climb. When the 8:30 a.m. data dropped, continuing jobless claims came in at 1,960,000. Slightly above the previous 1,953,000. Durable goods orders rose 0.6%, a touch stronger than the prior 0.5%. Initial jobless claims came in at 216,000, a bit lower than the previous 222,000. A mixed set of signals, and the market reflected that. The 9:30 a.m. open. At the opening bell, price action was choppy. Our algorithm took a long trade, but momentum quickly shifted. At 10 a.m., Chicago PMI hit at 36.3, well below the previous 43.8, and the market dipped sharply. Our robot entered a short position. By 10:50 a.m., momentum flipped again, and our robot closed the short position for a loss and shifted back to a long position. Realized loss was now $114. Just before 11:15 a.m., Nasdaq broke above 25,300, and the long position hit an unrealized profit of $156. Meanwhile, our long position on AMD brought in $376 net realized profit. Afternoon session. At 12:30 p.m., the Atlanta Fed GDP estimate came in at 3.9%, just a hair below the previous 4% reading. The market barely reacted. By 2 p.m., we saw another small dip, but once again, the Nasdaq recovered quickly. Overall, the afternoon stayed incredibly stable. No big swings, no sudden volatility. After hours, no major tech earnings, no major headlines, close to a quiet pre-Thanksgiving session. Summary. Overall, it was a calm trading day. Nasdaq spent most of the session hovering near 25,300. Meanwhile, the crypto market continued its strength, now up 3 days in a row. Bitcoin even reclaimed 90,000 level, heading into the holiday, a bullish sign for crypto investors. As for our performance, $75 profit on the E-micro Nasdaq futures, $376 net profit on AMD, bringing our total gains for the day to $451. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day. Happy Thanksgiving. I will see you after the holiday for the next Nasdaq Futures Recap.